Welcome! Today we're converting an equation into slope-intercept form. Our equation is 3x plus 4, y minus 5 equals 0. First, let's isolate y. We move 3x and minus 5 to the other side. Adding 5 and subtracting 3x gives 4, y equals minus 3x plus 5. Next, divide both sides by 4. Dividing each term by 4 yields y equals minus 3/4 x plus 5/4. Thus, the slope-intercept form is y equals minus 3/4 x plus 5/4. Here the slope m is minus 3/4, and the y-intercept c is 5/4. Let's graph this line to see it visually. The line crosses the y-axis at 5/4, that's 1.25, and falls with slope minus 3/4. In review, we've rewritten 3x plus 4, y minus 5 equals 0 into y equals minus 3/4 x plus 5/4, identified slope and intercept, and plotted the line. Great work!